I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung ano po ang update sa inyong buhay. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. So gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na kung kailan nyo po napanood ang video na ito, this video is meant to find you. So, with the moon card, so bakit nagkaroon tayo ng maraming katanungan instead of answers? Parang meron din ditong hindi nagkakasundo, no? Kasi sa traditional tarot, ang moon card, meron yung dalawang aso, no? And then, parang nagtatahulan sila. So, as you can see, parang same species naman, no? Iisa yung language. Pero hindi sila nagkakaintindihan. So, I feel like, bakit napunta? Yun ang tanong. Bakit napunta tayo sa isang situation na parang hindi tayo nakakapagpatulog-tulog, no? Or laging gising ang diwa natin, kahit gusto na nating matulog, no? Yung katawan natin pagod na. Pero yung buhok ko magulo. Pero yung isip natin, kasing gulo ng buhok ko sa likod, no? Parang, bakit hindi ako dati meron naman akong sleeping patterns, no? Ngayon parang sira na, with the sun. So, ang blockage natin is hindi natin nakuha yung mga bagay na inaasam natin, na pinapangarap natin. Let's say, you might be in a relationship na sinabi mong, hindi naman, this is not what I signed up for, no? Or meron akong ibang, kumbaga, expectations dito sa relationship na ito. However, iba yung nangyari. With the Nine of Pentacles, para kasing ang nakikita natin dito, at first, well, actually, yung puso naman natin, masaya kasi nandiyan si person. Is this a relationship na parang medyo forbidden, no? Parang sinasabi nating, bakit? Gusto ba natin maangkin si person? Or gusto ba nating sa atin na lang si person? So, it kind of make me feel na merong bumabagabag kasi, no? Kasi with the moon card. And actually, how ironic kasi ang first two cards nyo is the sun and the moon. So, parang meron din ba ditong you are in separation, LDR, like in literal form, na gabi dito, umaga sa kanila, no? Gusto mo na ba siyang makasama? So, it kind of make me feel, the first card itself, the moon card, ang daming tanong. Maski kung reader, ang daming tanong ngayon na pumapasok sa isip ko, ayoko namang pasukin lahat, no? Even though that this is a general reading, what I wanted in here is parang makita talaga kung saan nagmumula itong, kung saan papunta ito, no? Ano bang topic natin ngayon with the Knight of Cups? So, ang bagal-bagal. So, this is an LDR kind of relationship talaga. Masaya kang nandyan si person, pero somewhat part of yourself is not masaya kasi your person might be in distant, no? With you, with the Knight of Cups. Para kasing sinasabi natin, kailan ba naman to uuwi? Ang tagal-tagal na. With the Knight of Cups, also parang sinasabi din natin, nababagalan ako sa panahon, no? Nandiyan yung pag-ibig, pero hindi ko naman maramdaman. Kasi nga, um, para sa akin, no, yung perception, para sa akin, kapag meron kang mahal, dapat you're sharing it with the person sa iisang lugar, 'di ba? Although nasa isang mundo nga tayo, magkalayo naman, so hindi ko nafi-feel masyado, no? With the world card, that makes sense. So, parang nag-narrow down na, no? This is actually an LDR kind of relationship. Um, balak mo bang sumunod? Or balak mong pauwiin na siya? Or are you also actually ready to build a relationship with your person? Kasi with the lovers, I feel like meron dito eh. This could be you, this could be your person na parang sinabing, pag-uwi ko, no? Pag-uwi ko, magpapakasal na tayo. Pag-uwi ko, we were going to buy a house or start building a family, cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. We're actually promised. With the Two of Swords, ayun. Sa Two of Swords. So parang hindi mo kinakaya yung meron tayong separation anxiety, no? Yung sepangs na to that kind of like blocked, no? Ang inyong energy dahil parang sa'yo, dahil malayo si person, baka isa din sa mga iniisip mo na baka may ginagawa si person na hindi mo alam, no? Parang, are you wanting to give an ultimatum na huling alis mo na yan, no? If not, am I gonna leave you, no? Kasi hindi ko na kinakaya yung ganitong separation with the Two of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Ayaw mong ma-stay sa ganitong scenario for a long time. That actually makes sense kasi you feel stuck. Well, nakukuha ko yung point mo. Kasi yung point mo dito, ako pinag-aantay ako ni person dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa doon ni person. Baka mamaya, your person's doing something behind your back, tapos malaman-laman mo na lang, you're the only person waiting. So, you become anxious with those thoughts, no? Actually, hindi naman masama yung magkaroon ng mga ganong pag-iisip. You're actually jumping into the rabbit hole na parang sinasabi mo, I just want to protect myself, no? Kasi baka mamaya magmukha akong tanga, no? That's understandable. With the Five of Cups, ayan. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, para the Five of Cups kasi are full of regrets. And that is what the universe is kind of like, parang cooking for you. Are we becoming toxic in this relationship dahil lang sa gusto na natin siyang makuha, mapauwi, makasama? Because I feel like with the Five of Cups, parang sinishape natin ang mundo ang sarili nating mundo. In French, this is what we call, ano yun? Saboteur. May tawag pa dun na isa eh. Well, anyway, self-saboteur, yun parang ganon. Parang self-sabotage with a Five of Cups. Ikaw gagawa ng ikakasira ng relationship, no? So, with the Justice and the Four of Pentacles, dapat daw panghawakan natin dito yung mga promises. Dapat daw panghawakan natin dito yung sinasabi ni person na uuwi ako, babalik ako sa iyo, uuwian kita, no? So, I feel like we actually need to wait and trust our person as we trust the relationship, as we also trust ourselves, no? With the Queen of Pentacles, what you're hoping in here is for your person to actually offer you, give you, no? Parang itong the Queen of Pentacles, i-offer sa iyo kung ano man yung nararapat, kung ano man yung hinihingi mo, kung ano man yung pwedeng ibigay sa iyo ng person mo, kung ano itong napag-usapan or promises nyo. The fear in here is for your person not to actually offer anything, leave you behind. So the foreseeable outcome is the Four of Cups. Four of Cups. Is this actually the foreseeable outcome, or is this a um more of a message? I feel like this is more of a message coming from the universe that you need to leave the negativities behind, need to leave the anxiety behind, because anxiety doesn't happen yet. No, you're just jumping into the rabbit hole of nothingness, rabbit hole of lot of questions. This is more of anxiety rather than depression. Depression is more of the past. Anxiety is more of the future. You are more into the future with the Eight of Pentacles and the Three of Swords. Eto na nga yung sinasabi natin. You might going to break your own heart. So I think that someone needs to hear this. Kasi yung sobrang pagnanad natin, yung kumbaga, yung pagkakaroon ng wall actually helps, no? Pero yung sobrang wall, it destroys. I think that it requires balance, no? Protecting yourself, yes. Pero kasi this is not protecting yourself anymore. This is avoiding, no, avoiding the relationship to happen. So yeah, this is your reading, and I think that someone needs to hear this. Pero bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign, I want you to know na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link if meron kayong mga katanungan, no? Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take the opportunity na rin, or take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi tatanggalin ko na siya anytime soon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, I am seeing Scorpio, Virgo, Libra, I am seeing Leo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces is dominant, Gemini is dominant, Aquarius is here. So yep, this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am